Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking where cameras will actually help: main doors, ground floor windows, and hallways. Once chosen, make sure you have reliable power and Wi-Fi in those spots. Weak signal ruins footage. Next, decide wired versus battery or power over Ethernet based on permanence and bandwidth needs, because resolution and storage grow with quality. Make sure your selection complies with local privacy rules and building policies, and buy the minimal set of cameras that cover vulnerabilities without overreaching into neighbors' spaces. Begin mounting cameras at about 7 to 9 feet for optimal field of view and to reduce accidental obstruction. Angle them to capture faces and license plates where applicable. Once mounted, connect to your secure network, create unique strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and immediately update firmware to close vulnerabilities. Calibrate motion zones and sensitivity so you avoid constant false alerts, and set recording schedules and retention policies. Finally, choose cloud or local storage and verify backups. Finish by testing every camera thoroughly. Check live view, night vision, motion alerts, and playback to ensure clips are usable. Once done, monitor your network bandwidth and recorder CPU. If performance lags, reduce bitrate or resolution selectively to keep critical angles high quality. Make sure timestamps and time zones are correct for legal utility. If something fails, first reboot the camera, then rejoin the Wi-Fi. If problems persist, reset to factory and reconfigure step by step. Keep a maintenance log and update firmware regularly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.